Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best foot massagers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Nekteck Foot Massager with Heat. This electronic foot massager by Nekteck checks all the boxes. It is the ideal solution for you to relax your muscles and ease off from foot fatigue. It contains all the strong points required to provide you with an effective massage therapy. With its sturdy construction, which incorporates 6 massage heads and 18 roasting nodes, this electronic foot massager effectively manages to penetrate deep inside the muscle and offer immediate relief. On top of that, the Nekteck electronic foot massager also includes a manual heat on or off function for added convenience. All the more, the design is extremely portable and easily manageable, sporting 3 adjustable height levels, in case you want to change the height to your liking and comfort. The functionality of this electronic foot massager is quite simple. You don't even need to bend down to start up the device, just push your toe against the button, and you're good to go. You could also carry this device, as it contains a dedicated carry handle, with power cords inbuilt. As for the massaging itself, the performance and mechanism is based on Shiatsu format, which is the bare minimum and benchmark for electronic foot massagers today. This Nekteck electronic foot massager is an excellent option, considering its overall performance and massaging capabilities. You will not be disappointed with your purchase. Number 2. Our second best pick is Best Choice Products Therapeutic Shiatsu Foot Massager. If you want an electronic foot massager that is not overwhelming, and is portable enough for you to enjoy feet relaxation anywhere you want, then this one will not disappoint. This Shiatsu-based therapeutic foot massager provides spa-like treatment at the comfort of your home. This electronic foot massager will effectively target key pressure points, covering your toes, arcs, heels, and sides, in order to heal and treat a multitude of foot-related issues, while relaxing and soothing your worn-out feet. This electronic foot massager works by actively performing rolling, kneading, and pulsing, at the same time, to provide effective and lasting foot massage therapy. There are 3 customizable modes to choose from, allowing you to get the ideal setting, in which you're comfortable with. Perhaps the best part about this electronic foot massager is that it is quite portable, making it easy to carry and move around. The custom controls are also a treat, especially backed by the onboard wireless remote. If you're an average user looking to find an effective massage therapy solution that does not break your bank, and offers you the same amount of features and benefits, with a slightly toned-down aesthetic, then this one would suit you perfectly. Number 3. Our third best pick is MIKO Electronic Shiatsu Foot Massager. MIKO's Electronic Shiatsu Foot Massager is another excellent electronic foot massager, which features an attractive build, and quite comfortable feet placements. This electronic foot massager is packed with features that you would come to love and enjoy. With its Deep-Kneading and Shiatsu rolling technology, the electronic foot massager effectively eases tensions between muscles, and simultaneously works to improve blood flow between feet and legs. It helps in alleviating muscle discomfort either caused by foot fatigue or any medical condition. The best part about this electronic foot massager is that it comes with 5 different air pressure settings, offering a better pain relief solution. Not only that, it also has 2 wireless remotes for ease of access, so that you don't have to move a lot during operation. The reflexology rolling nodes inside this electronic foot massager allows for effective air compression therapy, precisely targeting pain points, relieving stress, and promoting healthy blood flow. There's also a heating option on board, in case you're suffering from cold feet more often. The heat is also targeted, meaning that it's emitted in such a way that it penetrates deep inside your feet to deliver lasting pain relief. The MIKO Electronic Shiatsu Foot Massager is an excellent choice, overall, for most users. The design language, as mentioned in the start, is quite futuristic and portable, making you want to grab this electronic foot massager, just on the basis of looks alone. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is QUINEAR Electronic Leg Massager. QUINEAR's electronic leg massager is, hands down, an amazing foot massage therapy solution that not only covers your feet, but stretches up to your calves and legs, as well, giving you the most complete massage experience. QUINEAR's electronic leg massager is a unique product and stands out from the crowd, in a number of ways. First of all, its design. The aesthetic design of this electronic leg and foot massager is very different. It looks like a large pair of socks, at first glance, but it's designed to do much more than that. This massager works both as a foot massager and targets the legs and calves at the same time. The uniqueness in design allows for better performance as well. It is designed in such a way that it simultaneously provides pressing, massaging, and heating function, all at once, improving overall circulation in your feet. This massager sports 4 airbags, 2x2, to provide effective massage therapy. The QUINEAR electronic leg and foot massager is ideal for the elderly, as it offers automatic shut-off functionality after 20 minutes of operation. Not only that, the design language of this massager makes it extremely portable for carrying, and the company even includes a travel pouch, for your convenience. This electronic leg massager is an all-rounder. There are a total of 3 easy-to-toggle massage modes, with 3 varying intensities, making it extremely a simple, yet effective foot massager, meeting all your needs at once, in a highly compact and convenient package. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is HoMedics Triple Action Electronic Shiatsu Foot Massager. This Triple Action Shiatsu Foot Massager does exactly what it says. It offers a unique-looking design, with breathable mesh foot placements, and one-touch toe operation for added convenience. This electronic foot massager by HoMedics penetrates deep inside your feet, by providing targeted massage therapy to rejuvenate fatigued muscles and tissues. The heat is also tolerable and soothing enough for you to bear, during operation. The one-touch toe operation makes the usability quite easy, without you having to move, every time you wish to operate the device. This massager excels in the design department, not only in terms of aesthetics, but also in terms of the weight. It's both lightweight and portable. The 18 rotating nodes, housed under the massager, travel up and down the foot, delivering a sensational shiatsu massage. The deep kneading capabilities of this massager are excellent. Overall, this massager is a good option for the average user, offering an enriched massage experience. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.